Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix app installed on your device is not recognized. If you see the message app installed on your device is not recognized on your iPhone, don't worry, follow those steps to fix it. Step 1. Restart your phone. First restart your phone, press and hold power plus volume up button, then slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Step 2. Check your Apple ID. First go to the settings, then tap on your name at the top. Make sure you are signed in with the same Apple ID used to install the app. If not, sign in with the correct Apple ID and try opening the app again. Step 3. Check internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Turn Wi-Fi or mobile data off. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. A poor connection can cause app verification errors. Step 4. Update the app. Open App Store, then tap on your profile, then tap on apps. Now scroll down and check for app updates. If the app has an update, install it. This often fix recognition errors. Step 5. Update iOS. Now go to settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Older iOS versions may not recognize newer apps. Step 6. Delete and reinstall the app. Press and hold the app icon, tap remove app, then delete app. Restart your iPhone, then open the App Store and reinstall the app. And that's how you can fix app installed on your device is not recognized. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.